Hello everyone, welcome back to Leo and Lila.
Today, we will learn English very simply and easily.
Don't worry, just relax and have fun while learning.
That's right. Learning English should be enjoyable.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Lila.
Look Lila, look what I made.
What is it, Leo? It looks like a potato with eyes.
It is art. It is a potato sculpture. It is my new hobby.
A hobby? Since when do you sculpt potatoes?
Since 5 minutes ago. I was bored and I saw a potato.
Well, that is certainly creative. And that is exactly our topic today, hobbies and interests.
We will teach you how to talk about what you do in your free time.
We will learn vocabulary for sports, arts, and collecting things.
We will learn the grammar rule of go, play, do. Why do we play football but go swimming?
We will learn how to explain why you love your hobby. Is it relaxing? Is it exciting?
And I will tell you the story of my previous hobby, photography.
Oh no, the time you dropped your camera in the lake?
Shh, don't spoil the ending. It was a tragedy.
Okay, let's start with the basics. What is a hobby? A hobby is an activity you do for fun, not for work.
You do it in your spare time or leisure time.
Spare time and leisure time are synonyms for free time.
What do you do in your spare time is a very common question.
Or simply, do you have any hobbies?
My answer used to be sleeping, but apparently that is not a hobby.
No, it is a biological necessity. A hobby requires action.
Hobbies are important. They help us relax. They make us interesting people.
Let's categorize them. We have indoor hobbies and outdoor hobbies.
I love indoor hobbies because inside there is air conditioning and snacks.
Indoor hobbies are done inside the house. Let's list the popular ones.
Number 1, reading.
I like reading books, novels, comics.
Number 2, cooking or baking.
Cooking is for meals, dinner. Baking is for bread and cakes.
I love baking, mostly because I love eating the cake batter.
Number 3, gaming, playing video games.
This is huge. I'm a gamer.
Number 4, watching TV series or movies.
Is binge watching a hobby?
Binge watching means watching 10 episodes in one day. It is a hobby, a lazy one.
Number 5, arts and crafts.
This includes painting, drawing, knitting, making clothes with wool, or origami.
Or potato sculpting.
Sure, let's add that.
Number 6, collecting.
Some people collect stamps, coins, or vinyl records.
I collect magnets from different cities. My fridge is full.
That is a classic souvenir hobby.
Now for the people who like fresh air. Outdoor hobbies.
The brave people.
Number 1, gardening.
Growing flowers or vegetables, digging in the dirt.
It is very relaxing, and you get free tomatoes.
Number 2, hiking.
Walking in nature on mountains or trails.
Hiking is just walking where it is hard to walk. Why do people like it?
For the view and the exercise.
Number 3, camping.
Sleeping in a tent outside. Making a fire.
Sleeping on the hard ground with bugs? No thank you. I prefer my bed.
Number 4, fishing.
Sitting by a lake, waiting for a fish. It requires patience.
Number 5, photography.
Taking photos of nature, people, or cities.
And of course, all the sports. Football, tennis, running, cycling.
Cycling is riding a bicycle.
Jogging is running slowly. We can also divide hobbies into creative and active.
Creative hobbies are when you make something.
Writing, painting, cooking, playing music.
I play the guitar, I write poetry.
Active hobbies are when you move your body.
Sports, dancing, yoga.
Leo, are you creative or active?
I am creatively lazy.
There is a third category, intellectual hobbies.
For smart people?
For exercising the brain, like chess or learning languages.
Learning English is a hobby.
Exactly. If you are watching this, English is your hobby.
Or solving puzzles, like Sudoku or crosswords. Okay, I have my potato. How do I say I like it? I like potatoes?
That is A1 level. Let's upgrade your vocabulary. Instead of just I like, use these phrases.
I am interested in.
I'm interested in art. I'm interested in history.
I'm into.
This is very casual and common. I'm into rock music. I'm into sci-fi movies.
It means you really like it.
I'm keen on, this is British English. I'm keen on gardening.
I am a huge fan of.
I'm a huge fan of football.
And if you love it very much, I'm crazy about.
I'm crazy about cats.
Or I'm passionate about.
I'm passionate about cooking. This sounds very serious and deep.
So, Leo, tell me about your potato art using a new phrase.
Okay. I am passionate about sculpting vegetables.
It sounds ridiculous, but the grammar's perfect. How do I ask someone about their hobbies?
The classic question, what are your hobbies?
But that can sound like a job interview.
True. A more natural question is, what do you do for fun?
Or what do you do in your free time?
Or be specific. Do you play any sports? Do you play any instruments?
Or how do you spend your weekends?
That is a great one. Weekends are usually hobby time.
My weekend plan, eat, sleep, sculpt potato.
You really need a second hobby, Leo.
Hey, don't judge my art.
Welcome back. We know what hobbies are. Now we need to know how to say them correctly.
It is easy, Lila. I say, I make football. I do swimming. I play yoga.
Buh, wrong, wrong, and wrong.
What? They sound perfect to me.
In English, we have 3 specific verbs for sports and hobbies: play, go, and do.
Why? Why is English so complicated?
It is not complicated if you know the golden rule.
Tell me the secret.
Okay, let's start with play.
When do we use play?
We use play for team sports, ball sports, and games.
Ah, so football has a ball.
Yes, I play football.
Tennis has a ball.
I play tennis.
Basketball?
I play basketball.
What about chess? It has no ball.
But it is a game against another person. It is competitive. So I play chess.
And video games.
I play video games.
Okay, so ball or game equals play. Got it.
Now, let's look at go.
When do we use go?
We use go with activities that end in ing.
Ah, like swim-ing,
Yes, I go swimming.
run-ing,
I go running, or I go jogging.
fish-ing,
I go fishing.
shop-ing.
I go shopping. That is my favorite sport.
Shopping is not a sport, Lila.
It is cardio. I walk for hours.
Okay, so ing word equals go.
Exactly. It usually means you move from one place to another.
What about boxing? It ends in ing. Do I go boxing?
Actually, yes, you can say, I go boxing, but often boxing is a combat sport, so sometimes people say, I box, but go is safe for ing.
Okay, now what about do?
We use do for individual sports, martial arts, and puzzles, things you don't need a team for.
Like yoga?
Yes, I do yoga. No ball, no team, just you and a mat.
Karate? Judo?
I do karate. I do judo.
What about ballet?
I do ballet, or just I dance.
And crosswords? Sudoku?
I do crosswords. I do puzzles.
Okay, let me test myself. Golf.
Is there a ball?
Yes.
So?
I play golf.
Correct. Hiking.
It ends in ing.
So?
I go hiking.
Correct. Gymnastics.
No ball, no ing, just me jumping.
So?
I do gymnastics.
You are a genius, Leo.
I am. I play English.
No, English is not a game. You study English or speak English.
I tried.
There is one special category, music.
Ah, I love music. I have a guitar. It collects dust in the corner.
For instruments, we always use the verb play.
I play guitar.
Wait, in British English and formal English, we usually add the.
I play the guitar.
I play the piano. I play the violin.
But in American English, sometimes we drop the. I play guitar.
Both are okay, but I play the guitar sounds very nice.
Can I say I do guitar?
No, never.
I go guitaring?
Guitaring is not a word. Please don't say that.
Okay, play the guitar.
What about singing?
I play voice.
No, just use the verb. I sing.
Simple. Lila, I have a question. Sometimes I hear people say, I practice football. Is that correct?
Good question. It depends on what you mean.
Explain.
Play means the general hobby or the match.
I play football on Saturdays. The game.
Practice means training, doing drills, repeating skills to get better.
Ah, so Cristiano Ronaldo plays matches, but he practices during the week.
Exactly. If you say, I practice piano, it means you are sitting there learning scales. Do, re, mi, fa, sol.
But if I say I play piano, it means I can make music.
Yes. Usually when we talk about hobbies in general, we use play.
What is your hobby? I play tennis, not I practice tennis.
Unless you are a professional talking about your training schedule.
I am a professional potato sculptor. Do I play potato?
No, you sculpt. Just use the specific verb. I sculpt, I paint, I cook.
I sculpt potatoes. It sounds very prestigious.
When you tell someone about your hobby, they will often ask, how long have you been doing it?
Oh no, this sounds like advanced grammar.
It is. It is the present perfect continuous. But don't panic, it is just a formula.
Give me the formula.
I have been verb ing for time.
I have been playing tennis for 3 years.
Perfect. This means you started 3 years ago and you still play today.
I have been learning English for 6 months.
Excellent. I have been collecting stamps for 10 years. You can also use since with a specific date.
I have been playing football since 2015.
I have been drawing since I was a child.
What if I am a beginner? What if I started yesterday?
Then you can use past simple.
I started yesterday.
Or I just started.
I recently took up tennis.
Ooh, nice phrasal verb. Take up. Take up means to start a new hobby.
I decided to take up painting.
You decided to take up potato sculpting.
We know, Leo. And if I stop a hobby, if I quit,
You give up the hobby.
I gave up golf because it was too boring.
So, Leo, how long have you been sculpting potatoes?
I have been sculpting potatoes for 20 minutes.
A true master. We talked about frequency in the habits video, but let's review it for hobbies.
People will ask, how often do you play?
You can say, I play once a week. I go swimming every weekend. I paint whenever I have time.
Whenever I have time. That is a useful phrase. It means irregularly.
Or not as often as I'd like.
Ah, that is a sad phrase. It means I want to do it more, but I am busy.
Do you play guitar? Yes, but not as often as I'd like.
Do you go to the gym?
Never. At least you're honest.
We also need to talk about the location.
Yes, where does the hobby happen? For exercise, we go to the gym or the sports center.
For tennis, we go to the court, tennis court.
For football, the pitch or field, US.
For golf, the course, golf course.
For swimming, the pool.
For running, the track or the park.
And for potato sculpting.
The kitchen or the studio. My kitchen is now my art studio.
Please clean up the potato peels, Leo.
Art is messy, Lila.
What about join a club?
Yes, if you want to meet people, you can join a club.
I joined a book club. I joined a running club.
It's a great way to make friends.
Or take lessons.
I am taking piano lessons.
I'm taking a cooking class.
I should take a cooking class. Remember the salt cake?
Yes, please take a class for everyone's safety. Okay, Leo, you have your potato sculpture. What tools did you use?
I used a knife and a spoon. High-tech equipment.
For most hobbies, you need special equipment or gear.
Gear is a cool word. I have all the gear.
Let's match the gear to the sport.
For tennis, you need a racket and a ball.
For baseball or cricket, you need a bat.
For golf, you need a club, Not a bat, not a stick. A club.
For photography, you need a camera and a lens.
And maybe a tripod, the three-legged stand.
For painting, you need brushes and canvas, the fabric you paint on.
For fishing, you need a rod.
And for swimming.
You need a swimsuit or trunks for men. And goggles.
Goggles are the glasses that protect your eyes from water.
I look like a frog in goggles.
You look hydrodynamic.
What about running? You just need legs.
No, you need good running shoes or trainers or sneakers.
True. Good shoes are essential.
Some hobbies are free. Some hobbies cost a fortune.
My potato hobby cost 50 cents. It is very cheap.
Cheap or affordable means it doesn't cost much money.
Running is cheap. Reading is cheap, if you use a library.
But some hobbies are expensive or pricey.
Like golf.
Yes, the clubs are expensive, the membership is expensive.
Or photography. Cameras cost thousands of dollars.
We have an idiom for this. It costs an arm and a leg.
I want to buy a boat, but it costs an arm and a leg.
Why do we spend so much money on hobbies?
Because we love them, or because we like buying gadgets.
Some people have all the gear and no idea.
That is a funny phrase.
It means someone buys the best, most expensive equipment, but they don't know how to use it.
That is me with cooking. I have a $200 blender. I use it to make nothing.
When someone asks, "What is it like?" you need adjectives.
Don't just say, it is good. Use better words.
If it makes you calm, say, relaxing.
Gardening is very relaxing.
A stronger word is therapeutic, like therapy.
Painting is therapeutic. It heals my soul.
If it is fun and fast, say, exciting.
Surfing is exciting.
If it is difficult but good, say, challenging.
Chess is challenging. It makes me think.
If it takes a lot of time, say, time-consuming.
Cooking a lasagna is time-consuming.
If it makes you tired, say, tiring or exhausting.
Rugby is exhausting.
If it allows you to make things, say, creative.
Potato sculpting is highly creative.
And if you do it with other people, say, social.
Dancing is a social hobby. I meet many people.
Now, the most important part of the conversation, the reason.
Why do you run? Running is pain.
People have different reasons. Let's learn the phrases.
Reason 1. It helps me unwind.
To unwind means to relax after work, to untwist your stress.
I play video games to unwind.
Reason 2, it keeps me fit.
I play tennis because it keeps me fit.
Reason 3, I like being outdoors.
I go hiking because I like being outdoors or in nature.
Reason 4, it allows me to express myself.
This is for creative hobbies. I paint because it allows me to express myself.
Reason 5, it is a great way to meet people.
I join the club because it's a great way to meet people.
Reason 6, it helps me switch off.
Switch off means to stop thinking about problems, turn off the brain. When I swim, I switch off completely.
And reason 7, I just enjoy it.
Simple and honest.
Why do you sculpt potatoes?
I just enjoy it.
Fair enough.
What if I don't do the hobby anymore?
We use the grammar used to.
I used to plus verb.
It means I did it in the past, but not now.
I used to play the violin.
But I stopped.
I used to collect stamps.
But now I collect magnets.
I used to be fit.
You can be fit again, Leo.
Why did he stop?
I gave it up because I didn't have time. It was too expensive. I lost interest.
I gave up violin because the cat hated the sound.
A very valid reason. Leo, are you good at your hobbies?
No, I am terrible, but I love them.